guys, it is Sonia with Junk Monkey Paint Company, and I'm taking you on the road with me. I'm just waiting for Matt to jump in the driver's seat. I'm gonna head out to Wally World, to good old Walmart. I wanna see what curtains they have today for my DIY project around my house, and thank you for being on this journey with me. I'm actually looking to just redo or add something to the landing as you go up the stairway in my home. It has this like nice little landing area, and it's big enough to hold a piece of furniture. So I went junking this week, of course, and I found myself a really cool candle holder. So I thought, new curtains, new candle holder, we'll put some piece of furniture there. So that is gonna be the little space I'm gonna work over today. Remember, if you are doing something every single day around your house, whether you wanna get more organized, no matter what it is, just tackle one drawer every single day, right? It's all those little things that add up to a giant leap in the end. So I'm bringing this house together one day at a time. Back home, and I'm excited to put this little area together, make it beautiful. Also grabbed some veg and some meat while I was at Walmart. What are you guys having for supper tonight? I'm gonna do some pork chops. We're gonna do some stuffed peppers. Oh my gosh, maybe a little bit of bacon and cheese in the oven baked. It's gonna be so good. We also have some avocados, and I've got onions and mushrooms, cilantro and limes for our guacamole. Oh my gosh, it's gonna be so good. I can't wait till supper time. I'm already thinking about what I'm gonna eat. Okay, so Matt is heading out to mow before it rains outside, and I'm gonna do some work here. So this is what I'm talking about when you go up our stairs. By the way, this is Mr. Piggy right here, and the stand that he loves to live on right here. He's eating a little bit of grass right there. Life is good. But I need to work on up here bit by bit, right? So do you see this landing right here? It's got a window up there, and you know, we've got the chandelier and stuff, and then it goes up around the corner. I really want to like make use of this little spot in here. Put something there, put some curtains up, and just, you know, do something right here. So let me show you. I'm thinking maybe a little stand in the corner and incorporating this from my haul. Where did I get this from? I think it was the Salvation Army. Yes, it was. Look at this. I got this for $5. Have you guys been seeing these style when you were out on your travels? It's like a candelabra. It is a candelabra. And you just put your taper candles in there. But of course, we're not gonna leave it brownie frowny, so I'm gonna flip this real quick. Let me think about what color I'm gonna do. We'll get ready to paint that together. This is the other cool piece I found. Look, for $3.99 right there. I got this really cool, I guess it's maybe you fill it with ice and you put your bottle of wine into it. I don't know what I'll use it for just yet. It just might be a really cool ornate piece of decoration for the house. But I love this piece. Hand wash home only. I love the patina and everything on it. What do you guys think of this piece? Would you have picked it up too? You know, I'm really thinking about just going a classic white, pulling out our vintage white chalky style paint. I don't have the primer, sand, or strip. Just clean your piece and way to go. Because that corner, I want to really brighten it up. So I could go with a pop of color, or I could go with something more classic. And honestly, I'm really thinking about antique lace or a vintage white. But if I go with white, I feel like it'll freshen up the space. So I'm gonna go with that. Shabby chip brush into the paint. All the supplies that I use here in my vlogs you can find at junkmonkeypaint.com. So grab a shabby chip brush and go bananas. I love how this is looking, and now we are going to let her dry. All we did was just use a little bit of the white all over it. You guys, you know, once this is dry, we are totally going to distress it. So guys, we are done. In the last few minutes, the distressing has happened, and in fact, I just did a live on my Facebook channel and went live, talked to the Banana Bunch family over there while I was distressing. So if you want to go see that part, just head to my Facebook page and you'll find it right there on the wall. But all I did was grab a sand pad and knocked off some paint in some strategic areas just to make it really look time worn. So I'm gonna seal it now, grab the banana peel, I'm gonna seal it, and then I'll meet you over in the stairwell. We'll start to put that space together. Is actually a painting that I picked up when I was at an auction. I always love shabby flowers, and this is an art piece that somebody else did. It's a really old piece. I'll show you the frame up close in just a second because I know the lighting isn't great right here. It's so old. This is a wooden frame and it's got all these cracks into it. It's just absolutely beautiful. Nobody wanted to take them home, and I got them for such a good price. This is a candle holder that I got for like somewhere around $20 at Big Lots, and I bought it because it was missing one of the little like rubber stops on the bottom of it, so it was unbalanced. I used one of my son's little tires from a skateboard kit that he had, a mini skateboard kit. He never missed it, and boy, it evened out the balance on this piece, and she is beautiful. Piece that I found for $15, it came with these little chunks out, and I had put some Old English into it, but it's actually paper inside, so it just completely absorbed into it and then faded. So I'm gonna pull out my Junk Monkey paint in our color Candy Bar Brown. I'm gonna stick my finger into it, and quite honestly, I'm gonna give her a nice new edge just to spruce her up. Yay! We are done. At least the bones of it is in place. Do you guys recognize this hallway? Just a few tiny things we did today, but make all the difference. So these are the curtains I went with. I either paid $9.99, $12.99. If you scroll back the video, you'll probably see the price tag right on them. And they have this kind of like, you know, they have a warm beigey gold flower. They have a bit of a blue, because I've got lots of blue downstairs, my blue rugs, and also this really gray, but it's like what I would call like a smoky coal kind of gray. So it'll blend in nice with the wood, but also with the warm colors as well. So that was easy peasy. A little bit of dressings for the window. And just because the window is small up there doesn't mean anything. We put some nice big drapes and really made that window feel grand. So that little stand that you saw me take out of my room yesterday, we placed the shabby chic one I did in there. All I did was do a touch up right there to the edge, so that way we hide the imperfections of it. And honestly, we'll see if I get to painting the entire thing, but I'm kind of loving it just as it is right there, to be totally honest with you, paired with a little bit of painted stuff. Stuff being this gorgeous candle holder that we painted together. Didn't she turn out beautiful with our little candlesticks? Oh my gosh, we love it. I put this little sign back here. You see that little nail hole up there? Originally I was going to go with that painting that I had, but I really felt there were so many darks into that it really didn't go with the light. So I needed something that had white into it. I grabbed this from my garage. It came with me from my studio. This is one that I painted. Just be brave, which is a nice positive message every time you take the stairs. But I still want to go back and hunt for something to put right there. And to be honest with you, you tell me what you think. I'm going backwards on the stairs. I really think I should go hunt for a beautiful greenery wreath to go right there. What do you guys think? Put it right there and it totally looks different. So that is my vote. Do you think I should go with a painting or a gallery wall even as you go up to that area of the house?
Or do you think I should go with a nice green wreath right here to blend in with everything? And I think while I'm at, I'll find a cheap little throw rug maybe to put right here. So eventually, of course, all this carpet will come up, but I think it blends beautiful, and it's gonna be gorgeous even with the dark floors exposed when we get to that part. So guys, thanks for hanging out with me today. We got another project done, and hopefully it's brought you some inspiration as well. This one didn't take a whole lot of work. Join me tomorrow when we get into something else fun. And if you've enjoyed this video today, be sure to subscribe to my channel. I'd love you forever. Give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment below. I'll be looking and seeing what you're writing. What do you think should go up on the wall? Right there. This just gives us another reason to go back to Gabe's. See you tomorrow.